How to fix Instagram Messenger update on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, go to Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and just you will find here updates and click on it. And if that doesn't fix it, if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, this one for Android phones, go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now go to storage, clear data. You will need to log in again to your accounts after that, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.